Come take a look at this 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. Carfax has certified the Silverado 1500 as having one owner. The Silverado 1500 has just under 22,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 on the highway. The Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 4-speed shiftable automatic transmission. This vehicle comes equipped with power steering, AM/FM stereo, leather steering wheel and driver airbag. Call 866-413-1005 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.